Hi guys, so we are actually home today. I'm going over my new sneakers for the theme park, which are the Converse RX Run Start Motion in the limited collection that's BlackJoy. It is to celebrate Black History Month. And so Joe is not going to be a part of this video. He's playing Hogwarts Legacy. I actually went far ahead of him and he's trying to catch up. So of course he used this as an opportunity to do that, but it is like more awkward to film without him. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. And also, just so you can see, the shirt that I am wearing is actually in honor of Black History Month. This is Sasha Banks and this is Bianca Belair, and they were the first Black women to headline WrestleMania, and it was such a great match. So if you ever have the chance and you have Peacock, definitely watch that. So as you guys can see, this box has like a black finish. The top is overall matte, but you can see where it says BlackJoy, it has more of a shiny finish to it. So I do like that because it looks very different from the regular RX Motion box, which I'll show you guys here. So here you can see the box for the regular ones that I wear that are the white colored ones. Actually, you may have seen the shoes in the short that we did, which I'm very happy with the way that one came out because I was just kind of having fun breaking them in. So if you haven't checked that out, be sure to do so. So overall, I would say they wrapped them up pretty good, and this is what they look like. So I'm not sure. It's definitely like a dark blue. The material is kind of like if you have Yeezy 500s, that almost like suede finish only for Yeezys. I believe they are real suede. These are kind of like that microfiber material that they're trying to pass off as suede a lot. Not hating on it, I like it, especially because I am using this for a theme park. So I would definitely not wear any of my suede shoes because I do have some heels that are suede that I purchased right before moving to Florida. And I don't get a chance to wear them too much. So I would say so far, first impressions, I really like these. So actually, based on the shoe, if you look up close at the pattern, I can kind of see that it's a camo style print. And if you look really close, you can tell that it's like leaves and different colors that are inspired from the outdoors. So whenever I was reading about this, Converse actually said that they spoke with the creators and they wanted them to do something that inspired their love for the outdoors. So I thought that was pretty cool, especially because I am using this for theme parks. That's like my outdoor experience here in Florida. I love to go like in the forest or camping. Joe and I actually kind of discussed that, but I don't know if I'd do it here. I think I'd go back up north and do my camping trip. But I love the aesthetic of the sole. The sole kind of mimics like that gravel type texture and look and color. It's speckled, it looks really good. And why I love these, especially if you're going to be walking a lot, is the sole has like a really good cushion. So you're not getting any of that like hard cement feel towards the end of the day, like whenever you're walking. It absorbs a lot of that. So I had to get these in another color. It just so happens they came out in a collection for Black History Month and I had to get them. Also, something I want to point out, guys, I'm going to be doing like a comparison of like the regular RX Run Star Motion versus these, and I love the attention to detail. They made the shoelaces almost like bungee cord rope. So it's really cool because it really has that like supreme outdoor aesthetic, and I really like the classic like signature of Chuck Taylor. Like, it's really cool. It's a good shoe, especially for anything that's outdoors. Even if you walk in the city a lot, like in New York, you do a lot of walking, I think this is definitely cool for even that aesthetic. So great job, Converse, great job. All right, so we're gonna do side-by-side comparisons. So as you guys can see, this is the regular one that I have in white. It's very comfortable. I've worn it for like a month and a half now, maybe 2 months. And it definitely has held up because I spend hours in the theme park. The one thing I will say is it's obviously going to be dye transfer, but if you wear a sock and roll it over this part, it will prevent that if you're wearing jeans. Honestly, I would only wear these with shorts or something, that wouldn't create that, but that's why I was looking for a darker color. Obviously I want both colors because I am in a state that it's summer all the time, so you kind of want a lighter shoe whenever you can. So let me know what you think. Is this a shoe that you're interested in? Is it something that you definitely would pick up? I personally love whenever the shoes are designed to look good. I mean, I know you could probably get like those athletic or those hiker shoes, but to be honest, that's like a little overkill for a theme park. But if you guys know of any other shoe design that looks good and fits like this functionality of a sneaker that's like cool with an aesthetic that you can wear in a theme park and not feel like you're just doing too much, let me know. And also shout out to Converse for honoring Black History Month with a cool design. A lot of times these companies will do like this history month, that history month, and the designs are so lame. And I was actually pleasantly surprised when I checked these out.